How to download and install TD Auto Finance app on Android. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in TD Auto Finance and press search. Next, from the search results, look for the official app developed by TD Bank Group and tap on it. On the app page, tap the install button and the download will begin. If you don't find this app in your region, don't worry. You can download it from a trusted third-party source like APK Make sure the APK app is installed on your device, then open it. In the search bar, type TD Auto Finance and you will find the same app. Tap on it and hit the install button to download and install. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the installation is complete, tap open directly from the app. Or you can find the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to launch. When you open the app for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your TD Auto Finance account credentials. Enter your username and password, then follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your access. Now you know how to download and install TD Auto Finance app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.